In this video, we are going to understand the concept of prime factorization. What is meant by prime factorization? Basically, we have to factorize a number, any number, into the product of its prime factors. So let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose I have a number 18. And in the previous video, we came to know how can we find the factors. How can we find the factors? 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. And 6 times 3 is 18. So I will stop finding further. Then it means these are the factors of 18. But what is the difference of these factors and this factor? Or in the method of prime factorization, right? So basically, these are the factors which are not, all factors are not a prime numbers. Can you observe here? 1, not a prime in a composite. 2 is the prime number, 3 is a prime number, but 6, 9, and 18 itself is not a prime number. So basically, as per this prime factorization, we need to express this number 18 as the product of its all prime factors. Okay, so उस process को हम कहेंगे prime factorization. So let's take a start. There are two methods. Method 1 says we can go with the factor tree method, and second one is ladder method. Okay. Eighteen. I have to find its factors. Okay, G. I will start finding the factors from very smallest prime number. तो मैं सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर देखूंगी 2 के टेबल में 18 कहाँ आता है 2 टाइम्स 9 इज 18 राइट अब ये तो प्राइम मिल गया एक नंबर प्राइम मिल गया मुझे नाउ आई हैव टू स्प्लिट दिस ये 9 है 9 इज अ कॉम्पोजिट नंबर इट इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर तो मतलब आई हैव टू फाइंड एनी प्राइम नंबर जिसके टेबल में ये 9 आता हो तो ऑब्वियसली दैट इज 3 3 टाइम्स 3 इज 9 ले जी इट मीन्स we can write हमने 18 को फैक्टराइज कर लिया what are the factors हम इसके फैक्टर्स को प्रोडक्ट में कैसे लिख सकते हैं 2 into 3 into 3 so remember जब हम आपस में इन फैक्टर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे we will get the same answer back 2 times 3 is 6 and 6 times 3 is 18 so it means that this is called prime factorization तो आप देख सकते हैं all these factors are prime factors 2 is also a prime factor 3 is also a prime factor and how can we write it in its index form वो आपको मैं बाद में बताती हूँ ठीक है okay now ladder method how can we solve or find the factors by using ladder method में हम सबसे पहले इस तरह से like a short division type इस तरह से ladder बना लेते हैं ठीक है now we have to check this number 18 in the smallest prime number तो smallest prime number कौन सा है that is 2 remember 1 नहीं होगा because 1 is not a prime number and composite भी नहीं है वो right so I will take a start with number 2 2 के टेबल में 9 कहाँ आया 18 कहाँ आया 9 पे 2 9s are ठीक हो गया so it means next I have to go and divide it further अब ये 9 को मैं समझूंगी that is my separate number now choose a smallest prime number again अब इसमें 2 के टेबल में तो 9 नहीं आता so I have to go next 3 in table 3 where 9 comes वो आता है 3 3s are 9 so I will write एक 3 यहाँ पर और second one under it उसके नीचे all right now you are getting a new number 3 अब ये again एक नया number 3 आ गया now just think independently ये किससे divisible है 3 से तो 3 times 3 times 1 is 3 right तो basically 3 times 1 is 3 तो ये आंसर मिलना चाहिए आपको और जिस टेबल में आ रहा है वो बाहर आएगा और जहां पे आ रहा है वो नंबर नीचे आएगा क्लियर and you have to keep finding the factors or factorization till 1, जब तक आपको 1 तक नहीं चले जाते, right? 1 आ गया means it's finished. So now you can write its factors. So you can just observe all these factors or numbers are prime numbers. तो आप इसको product form में mention कर सकते हैं. You can write in a form of product. 2 one time है, and how many times 3 come? 2 times. This is how you can write. ठीक है. Again, how can you cross check? आप इसको cross check कैसे कर सकते हो? After multiplying these factors, you should get the same answer back. 2 times 3 is 6 and 6 times 3 is 18. ठीक हो गया? So it means your all factors are correct. Okay. Factorization we done. It's fine. How can we write in its index form? Index form किसे कहेंगे? Index notation. Index notation में हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Before moving towards the index notation, you need to understand a little bit. If I'm writing a number 2 की power 3, so it means that number, that 2 is basically a base. ठीक हो गया? And this 3 is basically a index, or you can say a power. ठीक हो गया? Means we can write it 2 3 times, right? जब कोई भी नंबर आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होता है, उसकी पावर 1 है, तो we can write it 1 time as a base. उसकी जो बेस है वो 1 टाइम लिखी जा सकती है, और उसकी जो पावर्स हैं we can add them. तो 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Is that okay? So it means that there you can, here you can observe 2 is 1 time written. Okay. And what about this 3? 2 time. So you can write 3 1 time as a base, or kitni iski powers hai? 1 plus 1 is 2. So you can write this in index form or index notation, or in its exponential form. You can say 2 into 3 ki power 2. Let's have one more example. Find the prime factorization of 60 and leave your answer in index notation. Okay, prime factorization. It means we have to factorize it by using a ladder method or by using a tree method. Okay, I will take a start with this method, 60. So basically what you need to do, you have to divide this number 60 by the smallest prime factor. You have to start factorizing or start dividing this number by using smallest prime factor, right? And then continue the process until we obtain 1. Remember that, okay? So here we have to start with the smallest prime factor. And I'm writing this just for your help, ताकि आपको ये भूले नहीं, right? Okay. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा होगा? 2 3. किससे स्टार्ट करूं? 3 पे भी जाता है, 2 पे भी जाता है, डिवाइड कर सकते हैं हम. तो डेफिनेटली स्मॉलेस्ट वन से लेना है. तो स्मॉलेस्ट वन इज 2. तो आई विल टेक अ स्टार्ट विद 2. इन टेबल 2 where 6 comes, 2 3s are 6 and 0 will, we will copy it. ये मैंने आपको मेथड बताया इसका कि कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं, राइट? नाउ Next, you just need to take this 30 as a new number. अब पिछला number भूल जाएं. Forget the number 60 now. Okay? Now your current number is 30. Again, you will check which number is the smallest one to divide 30. आपको लगता है कि 3 times 10 तो आता है 30, तो क्या 2 के टेबल में आएगा? Definitely 2 के टेबल में भी आएगा. Suppose अगर आपको डिवाइड करना या मल्टीपल्स बहुत ज़्यादा याद नहीं है, तो how can you do it? You have to write 2 here and check what is the nearest number. 2 के करीब, ये जो 2 के टेबल में nearest number 3 के कौन सा आता है? 2 ही आता है. Here I can write 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4, and that will be a greater number, isn't it? Yes, it is. So you have to take this 2. Okay. But 2 तो आ गया, तो मीन्स ये आ रहा है 1 पे. तो 2 1s are 2, और ये जो 3 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ, तो क्या दिया उसने? 1 दिया. तो 1 will be carry to a next digit. तो it will become 10. तो अब 2 के टेबल में 10 कहाँ आता है? 2 5 times is 10. So you can write here 2 5 times is 10. Okay. Now there is, you can observe there is, you are getting a number 15 after dividing 30 by 2. तो 15 क्या अब 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड होगा? एज यू नो, बाय आफ्टर अप्लाइंग the divisibility test of 2, you can observe that this number is not even number, it is an odd number. तो हम अब 2 को नहीं ले सकते, we will go with the next prime number, that is 3. और इसका divisibility test क्या है? आप टेस्ट भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, और अगर नंबर छोटा है तो यू कैन चेक द टेबल ऑल्सो, ठीक है? तो अब 3 के टेबल में यस 15 आता है, where it comes 3 times 15, so you can write 3 here and that 5 you will write under it. Clear? Okay, now you are getting next number, that is 5. अब पिछला सब भूल जाएं, सोचे थे ही नहीं नंबर, that is a new number. Only check this number. 2 के टेबल में आएगा? No. 3 के टेबल में? No. So we have to go and we have to move and take the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. So it means that we have to continue the process until we are not getting 1 at end. Remember that. How can I write in form of its factors? अब इसको हम factor की form में कैसे लिखेंगे? You have to take these prime numbers, क्योंकि आपने यहाँ numbers लिखे थे divide करने के लिए इसको 60 को, और 60 अब end तक complete divide हो गया है, right? So I'm going to write the factors now. So you can write 60 here equals to, how many times 2 is coming? How many times? You can just observe that there is a set of 2 times. So you can write 2 times 2. Okay. 1 time 3, 1 time 3, and 1 time 5, 1 time 5. Okay, we have to move back to the question statement. As the question says, you have to leave your answer in its index notation. तो index notation का क्या मतलब है? As I told you earlier, कि you have to write these factors in a form of power. इसकी आप इसको power की form में लिखेंगे, इसको आप ऐसे लिखेंगे. 2 how many times are coming? You can write here 2 as one time, because इसकी जो power है वो 1 है. तो you can add it. As per rule, you can add them. तो ये 2 है, तो you can write 2 here, okay? And next, only single 3 is coming here, so you can write single 3, and then next you can write a single 5 here, and that is single 5. So you can say you have written your answer in index form or index notation, right? Let's have one more example. Find the prime factorization of 60 and leave your answer in index notation. Okay, prime factorization. It means we have to factorize it by using a ladder method or by using a tree method. Okay, I will take a start with this method, 60. So basically what you need to do, you have to divide this number 60 by the smallest prime factor.